Stop buying. Start waking up. The modern wellness industry is a $4 trillion matrix designed to keep you paying for solutions to problems they created. They sell you the toxins, then they sell you the detox. They sell you the airtight room, then they sell you the air purifier. It is a never-ending cycle of bills for a body you are slowly losing control of. Welcome to the no-bill body. I am not a teacher. I am an awakener. My mission is to share the brutal physical truths the industry hopes you never discover. We don't use supplements, gadgets, or miracle creams. We use the simple laws of physics, the power of natural elements, and thousands of years of Chinese wisdom to hack your biology for exactly $0. You will find 0 affiliate links in my description. You will find 0 sponsors in my videos. I have absolutely nothing to sell you. I am here to help you take back absolute control of your skin, your sleep, and your vitality by returning to the core of human existence. If you are ready to exit the consumer matrix and become the master of your own biology, stay. If you prefer the comfort of expensive lies, this channel is not for you. 0 pills. 0 bills. Just physics. Show up or don't. The choice is yours.